This is irrelevant, and this is
It's not irrelevant, and I don't understand how you and my daughter don't understand that.
Go for it. 2359.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another patrol vlog. For those of you that are new here, I'm Mikey Mo. I've been a police officer for a little over 15 years, and on this channel we cover law enforcement topics, and I take you on ride-alongs like this and let you watch some of my body camera footage so you can see what we actually do at work today. If you guys are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the Mikey Mo mob. And while you're at it, hit that thumbs up so it promotes this video and other people get to see content like it. Now, this first call came in as a disturbance. The caller who called 911 wanted someone to leave their home, and this is what happened.
Everybody here okay as far as you know? Which, are you on this side?
Yeah.
Do you know who's over here? Or? No. Alright. Did you call or anybody here on your side call? No. Hi, how are you?
Hey, how you doing?
Good, man. Everything alright?
Yeah.
Calm down now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't want her to get a charge for, you know what I'm saying, fake calls.
Okay.
You know,
Yeah, no, I want to avoid that.
because she's a big liar.
Alright.
I've known her for 10 years, and I'm not trying to insult her, but she's a big liar. I've been doing a lot with her. And as soon as she knew you were on your way, you know, she want to shut it down, you know.
Okay.
You get charged like that, bro.
Just a friend of yours, or a roommate, or girlfriend, or...
I'm his wife, officer.
Huh?
I'm his wife.
Okay.
Yeah, but I don't want this woman.
Shut up. That's my friend. Don't talk about my friends.
I'm over here.
Not this
It's
person?
not your place to talk about my friends. She come in here, and she got jealous or whatever,
Okay.
and she tried to kick her out.
Okay.
She doesn't
And
know
you go on her phone, she got all kind of dick pics from Egypt and all type of shit.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I'm just keeping it.
Alright.
And I don't care about what she do, but don't come in my house trying to kick out my.
I just
My
want
company?
respect outside my house too, Kenneth.
You want respect? You get respect. You came in here. You know I cook you. I cook her food. I wash her drawers. What respect are you asking for?
I don't want another woman here.
That's none of your business, bro. Because you fuck with every nigga that you come in contact with. So you ain't gonna fucking come. She wanna run my life in my house. Put out my gas. Put her shit back on. It's none of your goddamn business, like I said.
Well, I mean, look, you know, for what it's worth, I see both sides. I'm being completely neutral here.
I appreciate that.
You get it. Obviously, your wife, not a big fan of you having other women here, right? Most women aren't going to be. But on the other hand...
We got married because of a business, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm a veteran,
Okay.
and I got 100% disability.
Okay.
Yeah, she's my ex-wife. but
Yeah,
now
yeah.
We remarried
Okay.
because of business. That's it, you know?
All right, I get it. All right, well...
I've seen her come out of psycho bag before. And that's what
Right,
she does.
women are going to be women. She obviously got some sort of feelings for you. She wouldn't be jealous or upset if she didn't, you know. So there's that side of it. But then there's your side of it. Like you said, hey, this is my house too.
She's a bullshit.
I'm
She's not
having
love.
friends
She's
over.
jealous.
All right, well,
She just likes to keep up shit.
okay. I mean, whatever the reason may be, it's obviously enough that it, you know,
Fucking
whatever. So I
voodoo,
see
all
both
type of
sides.
shit she does. She put a motherfucker's name under my bed with onions and wax and voodoo and shit,
All
and I
right.
didn't kick her out. So you know,
Okay, yeah, that's
but
strange.
yeah, extremely.
All right. I mean, as long as nobody's putting voodoo hex on me, then I'm good to go. But we're good for tonight. Did everything calm down enough? We're gonna have any more
everything.
issues? Okay. I just want
If
everybody
you come back
to...
here again on her call, take her ass to jail.
All right.
I
Well...
mean it, because she's making false calls.
Right. Well, here's the deal, ma'am. Just so you know, like the fact that it is his house as well. If he wants a guest here, I can't make them leave no matter what. So even if you did call us, I can't force her to leave. If he says no, this is my guest, I want her here, that's an issue between the two of you. I would obviously like to see it resolved between the two of you, so we don't get into any fights or arguments and everything. But just so you know, in a case
never
like
got to
that,
that point.
I'm not going to be able to.
But she have a history of drugs
Good.
too.
Let me tell you something.
Okay.
What's your history?
Wait, you know what?
You had a history.
She has a
What about you?
Officer Moria.
How you doing, Officer Moore?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing good. To be honest with you, I think what is going on is I don't think that she actually took a man today. Something.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's very possible.
Yeah, because the ongoing calls that you're getting is not making any sense.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, we just got kind of like a 911 hang up, and it didn't even.
Yeah,
So
right.
we just got to come check on everybody, make sure everybody's all right.
Right,
So,
right.
what is your? Are you just hanging out for a little bit? Or, oh, you live on this side?
Yeah, I'm.
So you're right here. Oh, okay. So you're just over hanging out. All right. So, okay. Then sounds like it's resolved. All right. We all good? Everybody's good?
Okay.
Oh yeah.
All right. Try and have a better evening.
All right, so that's where that call wrapped up. Little keep the peace, we call it at the end. Some advice to both parties. I mean, there really just wasn't anything law enforcement could do as far as enforcing anything. If he wants to have a friend over to his house, he can. It may or may not be right, but as you heard in the thing, it sounds like there's more to that whole marriage situation, and it's just going to be, an ongoing issue. So nobody got hurt, punched, kicked, and that's the main thing, and so we can move on with some advice. Next call we are headed to here is another disturbance. People just couldn't get along this day. And this was another call that had very little information when it actually came in because people were just hollering on the phone. So here's what we tried to do, make heads or tails of what was going on. Again, give some advice and see if that would solve the issue for the day.
Her boyfriend's daughter. And her auntie came over here, just rushed up on my house, being all irate. Yes, I'm mad. Because you should not come to my house with that. I don't like that. I have a lot of kids here. I don't like that. I really don't like that. Now, she done took her ass down there. She down there somewhere. But I just don't need her coming over here. I have nothing to do with anything that's going on. And honestly, I don't even know what the fuck is going on with my daughter, her baby daddy, the baby mama, the sister. I don't have nothing to do with any of that.
Okay, all right. Well,
Is that why she came over here?
Yeah, she came over here for her niece. And she could have got her.
All right.
But don't come over here hyped up like you finna fucking fight somebody
Right.
at my house.
Okay. So she didn't take the niece?
I think the niece is with her.
Yeah, she does have.
Yeah, the niece,
Okay.
the niece with
She
her.
left.
she
Did she
came.
say anything to you when she showed up?
No, she actually, honestly, was ignoring me when I was saying, please don't run up on my house like that. Don't come over. I don't have nothing to say to you. Whatever, you have everything to say to me.
Right.
Because you come to my house. And that's what was pissing me off. You talking to everybody else, but you're not talking to me.
Right.
And you ran to my house like you want to freaking fight.
So why did she actually come?
I don't know.
Because somebody
That's
answered
the
her
point.
niece's
That's-
phone.
Somebody, a kid, I guess.
Put
was
your shoes on.
Was answering Kennedy's phone. Get back down here.
I told KJ down there. I said he could play.
Somebody, some kids was answering Kennedy's phone. And I guess that's what she was upset at. But if you know that those are kids that are answering the phone, why you come to my house like that?
Right.
Yes,
She got her
I'm
niece.
gonna
Her
be
niece had her
hooked
phone in
up
her
like
hand,
that.
so
We
it's
was
really not a
fine.
big
We was
issue.
happy.
Niece got her
I
phone
was
for
listening to
somebody. One little
music.
kid kept
I was in a good
hanging up on her
space.
door.
And this girl come over here
Go
and run
ahead,
up on my
go
house
play.
like
You go
this?
play. You
No,
fine. Go play. You
yes,
go
I'm
play.
on defense because
Right.
I got kids.
Right. Okay.
Don't come to my house like that. That girl need to understand. I told her I was calling the police.
Okay. That sounds good. I'm separated now.
I said he could play.
No,
KJ.
no, I don't want him
Okay.
going
okay.
down there.
Okay. I apologize.
Okay. What's her name?
I don't even know what her freaking name is. What's her freaking
I don't
name?
know.
I'm sure she'll tell you. She down there
What is she
somewhere.
wearing?
She driving that maroon truck.
What was she wearing when you saw her?
I don't even know what she was wearing because it was
Go to the house.
I don't understand.
You gotta sit down
I
here,
don't.
grown up.
I don't know. What was she wearing?
I don't know. I'm angry, and this is irrelevant, and this is
It's
ignorant
not
as hell.
irrelevant, and I don't understand how you and my
I'm
daughter
saying.
don't understand that. Because y'all over here at my house and this stuff is coming to
Understandable, but
my
all
house.
this yelling and this is just.
It's at my house.
Okay, you right.
Damn.
You right. You right.
Okay. So she's over there now. So we're gonna go talk to her. Make sure she doesn't come back
Thank
here
you.
for the day.
Thank you.
And that's
Well, she shouldn't come back here.
Okay.
But I really want y'all to talk to her.
Okay. We'll
Because
try
if
and
that
find
girl
her.
come back
I don't
over here,
have a
we-
description, so I don't really know. I don't have a name or a description, so I
I
don't know
know
what I'm looking for.
she bigger than me. Bigger than me.
Her
My
name is Dominique?
color may be a little bit taller than me. Maybe is it Dominique? Is that Dominique? Maybe that's her. Dominique. That is one of the sisters' name. So maybe that's her. Dominique.
All right, we'll see what we can do. Same.
You're not
So, do you guys know what's going on? I'm not even sure if I know what's going on, and I was there, and I'm watching the video for a second time. I think this lady drove up, like, all hot and heavy. This woman got pissed off because she thought she was going to fight her and that there were kids around, and it was all over, like, a cell phone or something that I guess somebody else had, and it got answered by another adult. I don't know. So we're going to go down and try and talk to the other half of this and make heads or tails of it. But guys, this is what we do. This is, and you know, I've had some commenters basically saying things like, why are you harassing these people? Like, you have to understand, we don't want to be here. We get called here. We would never be here in these people's lives if they didn't call us to help handle their problems.
Are you down there by chance?
Yeah, no, my niece from down there, yeah.
Okay. Basically, it didn't really seem like there was anything actually going on.
I know it's not. They got my niece, they treated her wrong.
Okay.
And I was calling my niece's phone 11 times.
Okay.
No one answered.
Basically,
Well, I ain't gonna say no one answered. They kept answering and hanging up.
Being
Looking
funny.
at me.
She was on her way down here.
I live in Pasco. I was supposed to get my sister, my niece, my sister works all weekend. Dad dropped her off over there. And my sister doesn't even want her there. They don't, because they're the step parents. You know how it is. They treat she's the first kid. They treat her wrong. So my phone, I called her 11 times. I'm trying to tell her.
So you went over there just to kind of get your niece and check
When
up on her?
I pulled up and I said, where's Kennedy's phone at? I said, because I called 11 times. John Day's talking to me. The mom, you're at my house. She came at me. I put my arm up because I'm at her house. I was starting to knock her ass out. But I'm at her house. I know y'all would have came to me right to jail. Yeah. Got a house full of kids. I'm a car full of kids. I ain't finna do it. Good. But she was all with that rah.
Okay.
She would have called me on the next block with knocked her ass out. But we was at her house.
She's in there.
But,
So she's good.
Yeah, she's good.
She's
Everything's
safe,
good.
but it was mainly her.
Basically, right now, there's really nothing going on. I just want to make sure you stay away from there because she was hyped up.
I won't go. Listen.
Her whole complaint, the whole
I don't
thing.
even go there.
Yeah,
Anything going on.
her whole complaint was she said that you rolled up hot and heavy for like no reason. Like you were the one that rolled up aggressive.
I pulled up talking to the baby mama. I don't even know you. I don't even know you. I don't even know you. I pulled up and said, who has Kennedy's phone? They hung up. Look, you see this? 11 times I called.
Yeah, they said the kids were playing with it or something.
Exactly. Come on, man. Why y'all letting the kids play with her phone when y'all know she's supposed to be getting picked up? Oh, okay.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, but
It ain't nothing going on.
All right.
I won't ever go down there again. I won't ever go down there.
Sounds good. All right.
All right.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
All right, so what did you guys think about those two calls? Like I mentioned in the narration part as we were walking from the one half to the other, this is a lot of what we do on a day-to-day basis. I know I've said it in other videos, but recently some of the comments that I've been getting where these people are just like, why are you messing with these people? Why are you? You have to understand 90% of the calls, probably more than that, we are called to. Somebody calls us, whether it be that actual person or whether it be another citizen who calls us to deal with somebody. Like my most recent video with the guy that was tweaking out running through the neighborhood. I had people in there like, why are you harassing that guy? Why are you asking him these questions? You have to understand, people called us there because of what was going on, and we're not going to just not show up. So we do an investigation, which is asking questions to figure out what's going on, and then we come to the conclusion or decision that needs to be made. And like in that case, and I'll put a link to the video if you haven't seen it yet, we gave the guy a ride to the bus stop and moved on, you know? So people make such a big deal about this thing. There's so many misconceptions about the police and what we do and what we're trying to do and what we're out there to do. And so that's why I want to show you guys videos like these to show you what we do on a day-to-day basis. So let me know in the comments below, what did you think of these videos? I mean, these are real people. These are their problems. They might seem like small problems to you and I as we're watching these videos, but it was something that they couldn't deal with and they needed help. And you see, like actually on both of these calls, there's not even a whole lot that we did or said. A lot of it is just listening. These people just need to be heard, and you listen to them, a little bit of advice here or there, and it usually solves the problem, at least for the time being, and move on. I would assume you could gather from these types of calls that most of these people, they're not going to process and deal with the issues they have very well. So likely the next time an issue like this comes up, we're gonna have to be involved. It's just the cycle. It's the way it goes. I wish it wasn't that way, but that's what we're there to do and offer assistance whenever we can. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do me a huge favor. Just like click that little button, the little thumbs up. It makes all the difference in the world. Leave a comment, same thing. YouTube loves it. They love, the algorithm loves the interaction. And like that last video, you guys killed it on it. That video is doing really well. So I really appreciate it. It's so much more exciting for me to do these and know that it's getting out to more people who see it and can hopefully learn from it and see what we do on a day-to-day basis. So guys, as always, I really appreciate everything that you do for me and the channel and the support. I love you all to death for this. This is why I do it. I'm gonna keep grinding, got more requests in, gonna pump these videos out as I can. And yeah, until the next video, I want you guys to take really good care of yourselves and stay safe out there.